Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to open another box, and this one is from Canada, Kirk, north of 51. Let's see what's in the box. But before I do that, let me open my beer. And today's beer is something new I saw at the store. Michelada Diablo. Tecate beer with tomato juice, salt, spice, and lime. Let's see how that tastes. Of course, I got my Colorado bushcraft koozie custom fit for this cup. You see how it keeps it nice and cold? Oh yeah, folks. Let's go for the hiss. Oh yeah. I thought it would be red because of the tomato juice. Looks like a good beer. Let's go for the smell. Smells like Clamato juice. Very little head. I like that. Cheers, Kirk, north of 51. It's not bad. I can taste tomato, lime juice, and salt. Man, it's okay. It tastes good though, because it's hot outside. Check it out, folks. My Colorado bushcraft koozie. If you want to get one like this or other gear from Colorado bushcraft, I'll leave a link in the description box. Oh, now it comes looking like tomato. Check it out. Yeah, now it's kind of cloudy. Check it out, bro. Now it's cloudy. I guess you gotta shake it or stir it. Y'all see that? Man. Whew. Look at that. It's all right. All right, folks, enough of that. Let's go for the box. Oh, yeah. Cool beans, man. First, let's go for the little postcard. Okay, thank you, Kirk, north of 51, for the postcard. He says he made this pouch. He made this himself, and everything inside here is from his area. So here's a cool pouch. Little horn to keep it tied down, keep it closed. Pretty cool. Yeah, this looks like bone or antler. it out. This is pretty cool. All right. Birch bark. A little vial with some matches and a striker in it to strike the matches. Pretty cool. Fat wood. A little pine cone. Old man's beard. I never seen this before in my life, man. Pretty cool. It's soft. More birch bark. Maybe just tinder sticks. Smells really good. Maybe pine. Little flashlight. And it works. A little candle. And some more birch bark. And just I guess just wood shavings, maybe birch. I'm not sure. I know he has a lot of birch up there. And this looks like some kind of fire starter. And I don't know if you can see that, but he signed it. Kirk, north of 51. All right, Kirk, thank you very much for the fire kit. I appreciate your gift. I'll be using some of that, especially the birch bark and the fat wood. Folks, I'll leave a link to Kirk, north of 51. Check out his videos. If you like what you see, give him a sub. Cheers, everyone, and see you guys in the next video. Very tomatoey. Might as well drink a can of Clamato. See you guys in the next video, folks.